Hey, I'm at the Park MGM. I'm right across the street, as you can see in the background, from the T-Mobile. I'm gonna film the Park MGM, and I'm so excited about this hotel. There's some things in here I want you to see, so stick with me. All right, so we're entering in from the parking lot. It's kind of cute. So Park MGM is completely non-smoking. The only thing that's smoking here are the dice. The Strip's first fully smoke-free casino resort. Park MGM, welcome. And this sign says we're heading to the lobby casino restaurants, Dolby Live, NoMad Hotel. This is the concierge desk, but I think they did the way of the concierge too. So the bell desk over here, that's one of the main entrances to the hotel. One of the main entrances to the hotel. Here's your VIP area. This used to house a magician. Can anybody tell me who the magician was that lived practically? Started with L, first name is L, last name is B, and he was in this hotel forever. Right here we've got people that are checking into the hotel. I do like this big old giant tree near check-in. It's kind of cool. Kind of just huge, right? Just kind of spreads across. This is over by the check-in area. See, people say that this place is dead. It's not dead. There's the Primrose. This is a lobby bar and a restaurant. So they've got their corner store. This here's their little, look how they titled it, shop. It's their shop. They didn't want to be too, and this one over here is their corner store. And of course you have your self check-in, which I can't believe more people don't use. Maybe it's me. They like to talk to people and they're hoping to get upgrades. And maybe it works. Get your alcohol here. There's some hotel rooms. So I kind of like the fact that they have the check-in desk right next to the hotel where you go up into the elevators. There's their conference center. Their pool is to the left, casino, restaurants, and their pool is to the left, and their conference center. Right here is Starbucks, ladies and gentlemen. So you got your Starbucks. It's a pretty nice Starbucks. It smells good. It smells like Starbucks should. Oh my gosh, look at all these conference people coming through here. And who says that Las Vegas isn't busy right now? This place is packed, jam-packed. So let's be like a fish and spawn our way through the crowd. Over here you got your cubanos, plantation chips, cocktails, the chef truck. It's not open right now. This is a little representation of what the chef's truck looks like. It's right here. Chicken tenderoni, hamburger pie. There's some of the food and their QR code. The chef truck. Puff pies, taquitos, sweets, munchies, and beverages. So that's kind of cool. Let's just take a car and, man, I swear, they must have just let out of something. Or they're heading to something now, everybody. Look at all these people. Who said Las Vegas isn't busy? This is ridiculous. Right over here is their high limit area. It's nice. And there's their high limit slots. You can see it past all the people.
Oh, there she is right there.
We're coming into the casino area. So yeah, this is a smoke-free place. There's the NoMad bar and the NoMad library back there. Here's the ticket office up here for getting all your tickets. Yeah, and this place is hopping. The ticket office is currently closed. That's probably because you got to go later at night. But see the center bar? There's the center bar for the hotel. Look at all these people. My gosh, the convention's still coming through. I know I sound kind of whiny, but I wasn't expecting all these people to spawn upstream. Especially because I was headed in the opposite direction. So I'm staying away from that group. These are some of the, modern machines. Everything's got all the buffaloes. You've got your dragon links. All in a smoke-free environment. Busy, huh? Up here coming up is the cashier's office. Cashier's office, obviously, where you cash in all the chips you're going to win here. And right next door, which pretty close, they should have been integrated into one, cashier and the MGM rewards. This is where you get your card for the tickets. Oh, I love that. I love that chandelier up there. That's really pretty. Isn't that chandelier pretty? It's just all so pretty in here. Here's a little store for you to get your energy drinks, some beer, chips. Back here is where the Dolby Live is. So in case you need to know where the Dolby Live, it's kind of like in the center of the hotel. Wow, these are some beautiful Lady Gaga outfits. Yeah, very cool. But I love the chandeliers in this place. Yeah, if you didn't know, I'm going to go ahead and tell you. The magician that had been here for years was Lance Burton. And I met Lance a few times when I worked. That's kind of cool. When I worked at the newspaper, I spent a lot of time with his manager, which he was a nice guy. Right back out there is where you go to T-Mobile and the New York, out that direction. And right now we're at La La Noodle. Gotta have your noodle house. Gotta have your noodle house. Here's the QR code for the noodle house. La La Noodle. La La to go. I like Eataly's big, check out this place. Check it out. We're probably gonna do a video here in a little bit. Look how high the roof is. And the Spritz Live. Let's see what they have. Spritz Live. A celebration of Italy's quintessential cocktail. Classic Spritz. Yeah, isn't this place cool? This is all attached. It's all Italian in here. And you go to different stations and pick up different stuff. So, you get a charcuterie.
I would like it better too.
You get Italian street food like pastas, Grand Cafe Milano. You got a bar right here. Yeah, isn't this cool? This is all El Frito. El Frito. Ben Frico. Oh wow, look at all those sand engines. We're gonna have to come back by here and check it out. But look at all the different spots that you can eat Italian here. And then of course you got this cool bar that's just right here. So we're gonna come back and probably do a whole thing here. Order some food. Toscana Ristorante and Bar. There's another one of those iconic chandeliers. Best friend, barbecue food snacks. Is your heart where it needs to be? Well, I think so. This is cool. It's like a store in here, but it's kind of like a bar. It's cool. Milo wafers. Here's Mama Rabbit. Mama Rabbit. Mama Rabbit. Check out those. Those are cool, right? And then the wall of alcohol. It's kind of cool in here. Did a nice job decorating. That was Mama Rabbit. On the record, Wednesday Industry Night. Come back here and check what this is. This is Mama Rabbit still. It's got all the rabbits. Strong drinks, strong women. Park MGM. Park MGM. Park MGM. There's that cool looking chandelier over there. I cannot wait to go try some of that Italian food. I'm gonna sit down and have a little bit of each. And you can come along with me. What happens in Vegas stays on, off, on, off, on, off the record. This is nightlife. Park MGM. Side Betty Grill. Check out the sports book. I don't know if it's a William Hill or not. Let's go check it out. But here's I don't think they're yeah, no, it's part of MGM. So, yeah, check out this sports book in here. Oh my gosh. This place is cool. I'd come over here before I game. And here's their little snack room with hot dogs and stuff like that. Check this place out, though. Yeah.
They are special. There is no question about it. So if he is going to do that,
it's pretty cool. I like it. They got a little bit of memorabilia here, but it's all dressed out kind of more for baseball. Check out these guys. Dang, look how tall that thing is. So this is their sports book. Pretty cool, right? Sports book, restaurant. Meow. The king of sports books. Bet sports here. What do you think so far? Do you guys like the Park MGM? Now keep in mind, it is a non-smoking. It's non-smoking here, so better for your health, especially if you don't smoke already. You probably don't want to go to a place that. This is called the Juniper Cocktail Lounge. Kind of a cool name, Juniper Cocktail Lounge. And then of course all your games. They have all these signs. I think this is well marked, but see how it says Juniper Cocktail Lounge at the bottom? And then all this up at the top. They should have that at the top and all this stuff below it. So here's their venue QR code. Here's a roulette, blackjack. Here's my favorite craps game. Yeah, play that. If you're gonna play craps, play that one instead. So you've got Bayvette's Steakhouse. And then once again, if you start at the top, there's their QR code, but if you start at the top and you go almost all the way to the bottom, it has the name of the restaurant here. So very clever marketing, people. Very clever. I think I probably would have thought that one through a little bit more. Here's Bayvette's. Let's take a peek. Oh, this is really nice. This is cute. Cute, cute, cute. So yeah, there's craps tables right back there. And we're almost through. We're almost through the Park MGM. All the cool games. Mo Mummy. Mo Mummy. You know you need mo money. Mo money. Mo money. Mummy. There we go. Mo Mummy. There's the high limit slots back there. Too rich for me. I pull as small as I possibly can every pull. So let's go over here and we'll see their high limit areas. This is back where we started. High limit slots. There's their high limit slots, and then you've got back over there where your ticket office. And here's another center bar closer to this end. So yeah, we've pretty well finished Park MGM. I hope you liked the quick walk around. There's the ticket office again where we started. But look how far this place goes back. And then the cool chandelier. Yeah, it's beautiful here, but look how far this place goes back. This is a big hotel. And again, this is where Lance Burton used to perform his magical acts. He did it for like 15 years or something like that. It was probably ridiculous. But yeah, Best Life and Beyond. You guys stay here every single time. Best Life and Beyond. They do a kind of a combination of like Disney and other type, living their best life in Southern California. But they come and stay here a lot. So, all right. I hope you enjoyed the walk around. There's the high limit area right there. Yeah, hope you enjoyed the walk around. And thanks for coming, and thank you for sticking with me. All right, have a blessed day.